my name is Zach Cagle. I'm the Marketing Product Specialist for utility, mid-range, and high horsepower Massey Ferguson tractors. Today I want to show you around the Massey Ferguson 7700S series large frame tractors. These tractors are made up of 4 models: the 7720 at 200 engine horsepower, the 7722 at 220 engine horsepower, the 7724 at 240 engine horsepower, and the 7726 at 260 engine horsepower. These tractors are great for row crop use, pulling large square balers, running triple mowers, along with many other applications. And today I want to show you all the features that make these tractors some of the most versatile tractors on the market. Let me tell you about the engine in the 7700 large frame series tractors. The 7720 runs a 6.6 liter AGCO power engine, while the 7722 all the way up to the 7726 feature a 7.4 liter AGCO power engine. All of these engines are 6-cylinder diesels. To meet Tier 4 emissions requirements, we run a SCR system utilizing DEF fluid as well as a diesel oxidation catalyst. On the Massey Ferguson AGCO power engines, we do not require a diesel particulate filter, meaning you never have to go through a regeneration. The 7700S series can be ordered with a Dyna VT transmission, that's a continuously variable transmission, or our Dyna 6 24-speed power shift transmission. The Dyna 6 transmission is very simple to use. It's straightforward, it's dependable, and offers exceptional power to the ground. The Dyna VT offers the perfect speed at any point you need it, independent of engine RPMs. Let me tell you about our dynamic tractor management system. Say, for example, your tractor is equipped with our Dyna VT transmission and you're going across through a field pulling a disc. As the load increases on the transmission, our tractor will automatically increase engine RPMs to match the power required. And then as you start to go down a hill, less power is required, our tractor management system will automatically drop the RPMs of the engine to save you fuel and reduce noise in the cab. Because of our single one-piece pivoting front hood, your daily service checks are easy to access and will save you time getting to them. Here you'll see easy access to our engine oil check. You don't have to remove any shields or anything to get to that. And next you'll see here is your water separator and fuel filter. On our cooling stack here, you can see that AGCO engineers have done an exceptional job leaving space in between the cooling stacks so that you can access the radiators and oil coolers and condensers with an air wand to blow all the dirt and chaff out very easily. Also, you'll see here our air filter. Easy access to this. Pop the 4 hammer straps open, remove the cover, and right away you can remove the air filter and service it as needed. We put a heavy-duty front axle under the 7700 large frame series. Offers a great turning radius, so you can get that planter or tillage tool turned around at the end of your headlands. You'll also notice here, this is our suspended front axle. We offer a suspended front axle or a fixed front axle. The fixed front axle is a heavy-duty front axle and it gets the job done. But if you're looking for ride comfort, whether it be crossing pivot tracks, crossing terraces, bumpy fields, not all of us have super smooth fields, we know that. This suspended front axle will help you have an easier work day in the field. Optional on the 7700S series is pivoting front fenders. We offer these in the standard width shown here and also a wide width that will come on over the edge of the tire just a little bit. As you can see, these will pivot out of the way so we don't affect our turning radius with our front fenders. Optional on the 7700S large frame series are front weight packages. So if you need to ballast the tractor outright for a row crop application or pulling a large square baler, whatever that may be, we offer weight packages in different configurations. We also offer a front hitch and front PTO. So let's say you want to put this tractor into a triple mower setup. That's possible by just adding a factory installed front 3-point and factory installed front PTO. Many times we find the large frame 7700S series running during the night. If that's you, we definitely recommend our LED lighting option. We offer just a standard halogen. If you don't plan on running your tractor much during night, that would be a perfect option for you. But if you really want to turn night into day, the LED light package is perfect for you. It features 6 work lights on the front of the tractor and 4 work lights on the rear of the tractor, along with LED roading lights. On the 7700S series large frame tractors, it is possible to put a front end loader on your tractor. These loaders are mechanical self-leveling loaders, and they come with our soft drive system, meaning that if you have a heavy load on the front and you're headed down the road, you can flip that soft drive on and it'll offer just a little bit of cushion on that loader, keeping that load stable and not putting so much shock on your front axle. When you're really working these tractors hard and you're filling them up every day, it's nice to have the def tank and the fuel tank located right beside each other at ground level. You can fill tractor up early in the morning when you get started and be ready to go in no time. Depending on the application and what your needs are, the 7700 large frame series can be equipped with a long bar rear axle or short bar rear axle. We also offer factory installed duals, or if you're looking for a wider single, we can also accommodate that. Here you'll find a removable toolbox. This is really convenient. Say you have an issue with your planter or tool that you're pulling and you need to go work on it, just grab the toolbox, go straight back there and go to work. Depending on your implement needs, the 7700S series tractor offers 3 different hydraulic pumps. The first and the base pump is a 29 gallon per minute closed center load sensing pump. The second is a 39 gallon per minute closed center load sensing pump. And the third and final option is the 50 gallon per minute high flow closed center load sensing option pump. The 77 large frame offers 5 remotes. Also standard on each remote is a decompression lever. You simply just push this up and the remote valve will release very easily. This is handy if your implement is still under pressure and it's hard to get that remote out of there. Just release the pressure and the line will pop right out. Also available is Power Beyond and Free Flow Return for all of those hydraulic implement needs out there. The 7700 large frame features plenty of 3-point lift capacity. Also optional from the factory for your 3-point is a quick hitch. Down here you'll see our drawbar system. This is equipped with the heavy duty. This is optional, and we also offer a standard duty drawbar system. On the rear fender, we've got 3 functions here. These 2 buttons control our 3-point linkage. We can raise and lower, making hooking and unhooking implements a breeze. Here we can control one of our rear remotes, extend and retract. So let's say we're hooking up a large square baler with a hydraulic jack. We can plug that remote in there and simply raise and lower the tongue from right here. And here we can start and stop our PTO. When you begin to climb up into the cab of the 7700 large frame, you'll notice a wide entryway. Nothing obscuring your way. Get right into the tractor. You'll also see standard here is our instructor seat. And then next, when you bring the steering wheel down, you'll notice we have telescoping and tilt steering. We offer a couple of different seat options for the 7700 large frame. One is our standard air ride seat, also features swivel capability. This one here is our Super Lux Grammar seat. It's air ride, it's got lumbar support, you're able to turn heat on in it, and also it features our swiveling option so that you can see your implement much easier behind you. This is our deluxe armrest. It's built into the seat, meaning that it moves with the seat as you go along the field. This is our multi-pad. This is how we control our transmission, whether it be a Dyna 6 or a Dyna VT. To shift up on the Dyna 6, we just push forward, and to increase speed on the Dyna VT, we push forward, vice versa. If we want to slow down or shift down, we pull back on our multi-pad. Here's our PTO on and off on our multi-pad. Our preset engine RPM, our 3-point hitch controls, our cruise speed 1 and cruise speed 2, and those can easily be adjusted over on our right hand console here. This controls one of our rear remotes: extend, retract, and float. This is our headland button. We can program a headland function, meaning that at the end of our headland, if we want to pick our disc up, disengage auto guide, we can do that with one touch of a button. And then when we come back and make our circle, all we'd have to do is hit this button. It'll drop our disc down and engage auto guide, and we could also engage a C1 speed at the end of it if we wanted to. This is a shuttle, so we can shuttle the tractor to forward and reverse here. Over here is our multi-function joystick. This joystick is used to control the loader if the tractor is equipped with it. It's also used to control remotes 1 and 2. So if you want to control remote 1, we'd push forward and pull back. Remote 2, we'd go to the left and right. This is our shuttle functionality. So if we're running a loader with this joystick, it makes it really nice. We can load, unload, and shuttle the tractor forwards and backwards. These are our transmission settings, so we can shift up a gear or down a gear in our Dyna 6, or increase speed or decrease speed in the Dyna VT. Here are H3 and H4 buttons. These H3 and H4 buttons are programmable in the C1000, and we can program them to do a variety of different things like engage auto guide, or use it as a third function on our loader to close and open a grapple, or drop our 3-point hitch, or raise our 3-point hitch. I could go on and on about the functionality of these two buttons, but it makes your life easier and very convenient to be able to program these buttons to whatever you want to use them for. Here we have our throttle control. Push forward to raise our engine RPMs. Here we have our 3-point controls, down, up, and neutral. Here we have our position control for our 3-point hitch. Here we have our dynamic tractor control button. To engage DTM, we push that button, and to disengage it, we push it again. Here's where we set our cruise 1 speed. We can raise and lower. And here's where we set our cruise 2 speed, raise and lower. Here's our button to change from pedal mode to lever mode, meaning that if we want to run in pedal mode, this works great for unloading a grain cart into a tractor and trailer. You can simply just press down very gradually on the throttle, and the tractor will move forward, creep forward very slowly, and you can let off. And then if we want to change it back to T-lever mode or multi-pad mode, we would do that, press that button. Here's where we unlock our hydraulics. And here is our 3rd and 4th remotes. Next, our PTO. To turn the PTO on, we simply push forward. To disengage it, we click one button back, and to apply the brake, we push down on it. Here's our auto PTO function. This comes in handy when, let's say, you're running an application with a PTO and a 3-point hitch. When you raise the 3-point hitch, the PTO will automatically turn off. And then when you lower the 3-point hitch back down, the PTO will automatically re-engage. For functions that may not be used quite as often, they're conveniently located over here on our B pillar. Things like engaging our auto steer, or turning our receiver on, or adjusting cab suspension are all located right here. Also, our front axle suspension, our 4-wheel drive, diff lock, lights, and then as we move up, you'll see our ignition, our hazard lights, our max 3-point setting, our rate of drop for our 3-point, and also our draft control. This button here is to engage our soft ride on our 3-point hitch. So if you've got a heavy mounted implement and you're going down the road, I would advise you to turn that on, and that'll give you a little bit of shock absorption for that 3-point implement. Here's our 540, 540E, 1000, 1000E PTO settings. And up here is where we engage all of our work lights as well as our beacon light.
My name is Jeffrey Smith, Fuse Product Marketing Manager for North America. Today I'm going to talk to you about the technology offering from Massey Ferguson on the 7700 S Series tractor. From the factory, Massey Ferguson offers several different technology options for your 7700 S Series machine. For Massey Ferguson Guide, there are 2 receiver options. One is Trimble, one is Novatel. The Trimble or Novatel offering provides you multiple accuracy options, all the way to sub-inch, pass-to-pass, and repeatable accuracy. The other option available is AGCO Connect, which provides you with all of your telemetry needs, including tracking service intervals, tracking machine location, as well as reading fault codes of your machine.
If you're interested in adding a 200 to 260 engine horsepower Massey Ferguson tractor to your operation, I would encourage you to go visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer and talk to them about the 7700 large frame Massey Ferguson tractors, or visit masseyferguson.us.